Hello and welcome. In this video, we will start our Python journey by writing our first program in Python. So I have opened the VS Code. If your VS Code is looking a bit different, then please check out my previous video. I have covered all of that. So I just opened a folder in VS Code which is called Python course. You can name that folder anything. I have named that Python course and I have opened it in the VS Code. Now, what we will do, we will just click on this icon, which is saying new file. Click on it and then we will do, uh, we have to name that file. I am naming that app.py and there we go. And here is the Python logo as well. So now we can do some of the things. Like first of all, in the right hand side of the corner, you can see that it is some orange button which is called select interpreter. Just click on it and now you can see the list of Python which are installed in your system. I will be using the Python version 3.12.0, which is the latest version at the moment of recording. So just click on it and as you can see, that thing is now set. Now what you can do, you can write print and then parenthesis, and inside that you can write double quotes and then hello world. And you can see it is not saved yet, so control S to save that. And another thing pops out which is telling us like you have the AutoPip 8 formatter extension installed. Would you like to use that as the default formatter? I say yes. So there will be some folder like .vs code will be generated. In your case that might be a bit different, but I can show you here. In the installed plugins, I have the AutoPip 8 plugin installed. If you do not have that, install that. It will help us formatting the code. So now we can go here and also here and we can run this program. So now to run this, we can just click on this play button. If you have the code runner extension installed, please install that. I have that video posted. So now just click on it and in the terminal, wait for it. And yeah, so here there is a command which is python-u and then the path of that file which is the app.py, and here is the hello world printed in our terminal. So great. I know that might be something like a bit hard to understand, like why we are using the print and all of that. So print is a inbuilt function in Python which helps us to print out some sort of data into the terminal. In our case, we have printed out hello world, this string. I will go into the data types and all of that in detail in the next lecture. But yeah, there is the string called hello world and we have printed the hello world in our terminal. If your terminal looks a bit different, don't worry, everything will work out fine. So now, congratulations, because you have written your first Python program. So let's catch up in the next one.